Watch out. The tiger is here. It's not easy being a tiger. Yes, tigers are beautiful and fierce. But tigers are also big and heavy. This makes it difficult for them to hunt for food. Out of every 20 times a tiger hunts, it eats only once. When a tiger moves through the forest, "Cow, cow, cup," the langur calls, just like an old man coughing. "Cow, cow, cup." "Ow, how." The barking deer calls, like a scared dog. "Ow, how." "Oh, oh, oh." The spotted deer calls, like a little bird. "Oh, oh, oh." The whole forest knows the tiger is here. "Own, own." The tiger wonders, where has everyone gone?